Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. In today's video we have a glowy, long-lasting summer holiday routine. If you want long-lasting, sweat-proof makeup, then make sure to keep on watching. But before we begin, please consider subscribing to my channel if you aren't already. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more specific tutorials from me. Also comment down below what you would want to see. And yeah, if you want to see how I created this flawless, airbrushed, glowy, dewy, fresh look, then keep on watching. Today I have for you a dewy, fresh, summer holiday glam, like a soft glam, you know, like in the evening when you want to wear something but you don't want to go like too makeup. This is the video for you. Ignore my hands, oh my god, that is awful. So I haven't even done my skin prep yet because I wanted to show you guys what I would do on holiday to prep for the evening. So an eye cream that I've been loving at the moment is the Give Me Cosmetics eye cream with avocado oil and vitamin E. This really helps to hydrate the under eyes but still gives like a, not thick, but like really nice hydrating feeling, and is very smoothing, and it sort of goes tacky as well, so that is perfect underneath makeup. Lots of people go away in July and August, so I thought this video would help someone. Next I'm going to go in with moisturiser. This I got sent the other day from Elizabeth Arden and I've really been loving it. It's the 8 Hour Hydroplay Skin Perfecting Daily Moisturiser. I absolutely love this type of packaging. Like, I feel like you can just squirt it on, so easy, just like so. And again, this is a very nice lightweight moisturiser. I feel like, let's get that out of the way, I feel like this would be suitable for all skin types, and it just smells so luxury. I absolutely love the 8 Hour cream, so I'm not surprised I like the smell of this. It's like a very subtle smell. That is so nice. That has left my skin so hydrated. And then to top it off, I'm going to go in with the Elizabeth Arden 8 Hour Miracle Hydrating Mist. This is designed that you can use it for a primer as well, so that's what we're going to do. It's such a fine mist. Again, it smells good. Now our skin is all prep, we are going to go on to the makeup. I'm going to let that sink in for 5 to 10 minutes though. Okay, so now I've let that skincare prep sink in. My skin is feeling nice and tacky, and look how glowy and dewy my skin looks. That's exactly what we want. See, in this makeup we want it to last because we never know how hot it's going to be, even in the evening. So I'm first going to go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer plus 4% niacinamide because we want hydration. The blue one is, or green one, whatever colour you think it is amazing, but this one is so nice if you want that added hydration. Niacinamide is perfect for that. So we're going to go in with this today. This is super sticky, as you can see, and I feel like this one goes stickier than the blue one. Once you feel that tackiness come in, stop blending it. It will honestly stick anything. Then we're going to go in with the e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. If you've got very, best note, I've got very combination skin. I've got an oily T-zone, I've got dry forehead and quite normal cheeks. So I'm just going to put this in my T-zone just to help mattify it a little bit and help with the pores, because if you're like me and you've got combination skin, I would highly suggest doing this. And again, it's going to keep it on for longer. This is all about long wearing with this tutorial because we want our makeup not to slip and slide, especially if we are having a humidity night and it is super hot, especially if you've got oily skin. So that is the base all prepped and primed, ready for makeup. So I am going to go in with a tinted moisturiser. This is the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturiser, and it's one of my favourites because again, it's got SPF 30, the sun might still be out, UVs are still on you, so this is the best way to keep your skin covered. I feel like I got a hair on my face. I don't tend to like to wear foundations on holiday because I feel like I don't have time for one, and two, I just want to get out and go see the sunset and have some gorgeous food. I don't know whether you relate, but this is just such an easier and quicker way of getting a coverage. What I like to do is put it on the back of my hand and then put it on my face. I like to really blend this in and sort of warm up the product. Obviously I wish I was on a holiday right now, but I am unfortunately not. We tend to go away, we don't like to go away much in the actual summer because obviously there's a lot of school holidays and stuff like that, so we tend to wait until around my birthday in October. It's just cheaper and you can still get places that are hot. And then I really like to push that in with a brush. Feel free to use a sponge or even just your fingers. This is just personal preference on how I like to blend it. I love the smell of this one as well. It's gorgeous. Obviously this is a little bit darker than my face, but it matches my tan. You're lucky I'm not matching my hands. I like to be bronzed. So then we're going to go on to cream blush. Now I do my order in such a weird order lately, I don't know why, but I think it just looks so like seamless and nice. This is the Jordana T-shirt blusher duo in Honey Pie, and I've never used this one before, but my meaning for this one is because I want a bronzy golden vibe, and I feel like this is what's going to give me that golden vibe, if you know what I mean. It's going to give me that sun-kissed beautiful blush tone. I'm going to take that all the way across my nose to again act like a burnt look right into the temple, because we are going to be blending the bronzer into that as well. And then I'm going to take a nice hydrating concealer. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Light Beige. This might be a little bit too dark. Okay, it's not that bad. I like to add coverage with my concealer, but I love that this one is more hydrating. It's going to really hydrate those under eyes from a day of sun. And obviously you might have been in the sea all day, or you might have been like in the chlorine in the pool. So I'm going to let that brew. I'm going to blend it out with my all-time favourite brush, the Doll Beauty brush. I'm going to take that on my eyelids as well, just to prime them. So I'm just going to lighten that concealer a little bit under my eyes and let it brew whilst we're doing the bronzer. But this is the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Light Illuminating Smoothing Concealer in the shade Vanilla Wafer. And this is still like a really nice light weight concealer with minimal coverage. So we're just going to help brighten with this. So then next I'm going to take the Made by Mitchell Bulk Balm, which is technically a concealer, but I bought the shade BB14 so I can use it for my bronzer. And you know what, guys? It is absolutely stunning for a cream bronzer. And if you're like me and you love ones in a pan like this, girl, you're gonna love it. It is so blendable, and so it has got pigment because it's a concealer, obviously, but it's blendable, so that's quite a lot there. What I'm going to do is take that on my eyelid slightly and blend that out. See how it just joins that in with my eyes? Stunning. I absolutely love being bronzed, as you can probably tell. Just going to take my foundation brush, or tinted moisturiser brush, and just go underneath that bronzer, just to merge it all together. See how that just melted into the skin and blended so easily. And then what I'm going to do before I set all this down, actually I need to blend the concealer. I'm just going to blend that lighter concealer now. So now I'm going to go in with face powder, and I'm going to go in with my favourite powder at the moment is the Jordana T-shirt duo powder. I've seen them going around. They've got a pressed powder and a loose powder, and the main reason why I'm putting this in here is because going on holiday you've got 2 in 1. So if you want a pressed powder and a loose powder like myself, I always like to do that. This will be your best friend. but I'm going to go in with the shade Half Baked. Just watch this transform my makeup. Perfect. And I'm just going to use that loose powder throughout the rest of my skin. So on my chin, under here, and a little bit on my forehead, because like I said, I've got dry skin, quite dry skin on my forehead. So I'm just going to lightly pat that. We're going to come back to that powder in a bit and use the press side. But for now, that is all we're going to do with powder. So then for powder bronzer, I'm going to go in with the MAC Moonlight Skin Finish in Give Me Sun. I've been loving Give Me Sun lately, especially if I want that bronze look to my skin. I know we don't need much more bronzer, but I just love it. I've been loving this brush as well from Peach and Cream, the PC05. Gives such a nice blend. Next I'm going to take the Give Me Sun again and pop that on my eyelids and really bring it out and connect it to the outer part of my eye and into my temple. This is just going to bring the eyes in with the base, which I love to do. Then next I'm going to go in, I may as well carry on with the eyes, the Twinkle Tower by Jordana T-shirt. How gorgeous is the packaging? Stunning. And I'm going to go in with the shade Icy. Beautiful. And I'm just going to take that on my finger and pat it in a corner like so. How beautiful. Hope you can see that. I'm just going to go off camera to do my eyebrows. I'm just going to fill them in with some brow pencil like I always do because we're looking a bit pale. And I'll be right back. Okay, so now I look human again with some eyebrows. I'm now going to go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray because this is going to help merge all the powders in together, and then we're going to add the glow powders on top then. I can barely feel that going on my face. Sometimes I don't like that. My face is looking blurred. I just remembered I've got a leftover caramelised burger waiting for me for lunch. Okay, so I'm going to go on top of my powder very slightly because I know I'm looking very bronzed at the moment with the Made by Mitchell Bronze Pods. This is giving me anxiety because it feels like it's going to crumble. One did come smashed, which is unfortunate, but this is in the shade Corn Syrup. I'm going to take a light layer of this and dust it on my forehead. This is going to make my skin look so glowy. Same again, I love layering my products. I'm going to go in with the Doll Beauty Fly Glow Getters in the shade Peached on the Beach, which is more of a sort of peachy bronzy colour. Really load that up. See how that is elevated. Oh, this is why I love these, because I'm sorry, but look at my skin. That is going to look insane in photos as well. So just to brighten my under eyes a bit, probably should have went in with this before doing the glow blush, but I'm going to go in with the pressed side of the powder now and really push that in just the inner corner. See how that's brightened and elevated? Then do the same on the other side. I'm just going to get that highlighter brush again, merge that in. My skin looks so good. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. I really wanted a rich chocolate brown mascara, and then I remembered I bought this one from Boots the other day, well, a couple of weeks ago, and it'll be in a video very soon, I promise you. It might be in the one after this because you all love my Boots hauls, so heads up. This is the L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes Balm Brown. I'm guessing that's the shade. Brown mascara. This is the perfect brown shade that I was hoping for. This is going to elevate this look and make it even more bronzy. I've never tried this mascara though, so we will see. Oh my god, yes. That is the perfect brown, and that's what I was hoping for. Oh no. I just blinked and it went down there. Love that. The perfect brown. What I was hoping for. Clean up under the eye. Tip for cleaning up mascara is wait until it's dry and then go in, and it just literally crumbles off. Rather than going straight in when it's wet and it just smudges. Oh my god, lush. And then last but not least is lips. Now I absolutely love a pinky nude, so that's what I'm going to go for today. This is Boy by Doll Beauty. And then I'm going to take just a nice easy lip balm sort of texture. This is the YSL Love Shine Rouge à Lèvres. I'll link it in the description box, but this is the shade 44, I believe. It's such a pretty pink. Not gonna lie, these taste like a garden centre. And then we're gonna do one last spritz of the spray, and that is my Dewy Flawless Long Lasting Summer Holiday Soft Glam. If you want your makeup to last long on holiday and look flawless in photos, then I would highly suggest following these steps. Let me know if you do. That would be so exciting. Leave it in the comments down below. If you want to see more seasonal makeup looks or certain like events makeup looks from me, then make sure to leave them in the comments down below so I know what you want to see, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. I'm looking like a bronze goddess now. I'm gonna go see my niece for her prom. Happy prom, Lacey J, if you're watching. Probably, she always watches my videos, bless her. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you have a lovely day or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.